Right, welcome back to the Sardine News. Escaped Johannesburg, can you believe it, with a small window of opportunity to travel without having to get a permit. And I made it to the river. And we got ourselves a selfie stick, an old rod from the garage, some elastic band, it was great. And we are going to do a teardown today. A teardown of what's inside this box here. I took a really good friend, a client, we'll become friends, fishing in off Benguera Barracuda a little while ago. His name is Stefan, and he caught so many fish with his MYDO spoon that he ordered a Couta catching box.
Fish on here, dude. You got a big fish on here. You got to pop it.
Oh, Giant
Man, we caught fish in Benguera. The owls of that place can be wild. And throwing a couple of MYDO spoons and a good angler like Stefan and a good audience, and we had the time of our lives there. But okay, cool. We was using the MYDO SS spoon to catch those kingfish with, and there are spoons inside the MYDO Couta Pack, so let's get going. Teardown of the MYDO Couta Pack. Right, and so yes, this is what Stefan has ordered all the way over from Qatar, where he lives and catches his Couta. Starting from, we've got the daisy chains and the spoons and the drop shots that we used to catch the live bait, and then we got the live bait swimmers and live bait tracers to put the live baits on, and off you go. And then if you've only got dead bait, we've got the bait swimmers. Right, so these are the actual spoons that Stefan is getting in his MYDO Couta Pack. This is, funny enough, is I call it a tuna 127, and it's 4 millimeters thick, and it weighs about 3.5 ounces. It sinks beautifully, it casts like an absolute demon with those holes in, allow the air through during the cast, and you can be really accurate and be amazed how far a light spoon like this can actually go. You can also send this to the bottom as a jigging spoon, and as it drops it does that beautiful butterfly action. There's lots of ways of working this big spoon. You can cast it to the horizon where the fish are boiling and crank, and as it comes onto the plane, these holes cause major spray and bubbles to come flying out of the holes here like a jet ski almost, and it snakes across the surface and dives in and does jerks and turns and twists, and really it makes a hell of a story underwater. And that sound, my friends, is what it's all about. On that particular day, we couldn't get a live bait, or we got a live bait and it died. So we stuck it onto a bait swimmer, as you can see in this picture above, and that resulting strike is what happened. But okay, here is the bait swimmer.
Thanks, bud.
The bait swimmer was designed by legendary Brian Davey. It actually won the 1990 Cullinan Design Award for Engineering Excellence. It was based on the hydrodynamic principles and the theory that a fish uses hydrodynamics to swim, not its tail. It uses its entire body as a foil. And based on this theory that Brian put forward, and he got this award, is the resultant design of the bait swimmer. He uses the same hydrodynamic principles, to get life into his bait. Pin just goes into the lip, to both lips of the jaws, the lips of the jaw, and then the trebles just go into the skin like that. Tie that up over here, and off you go. You can go about 4, 5, 6 knots, but eventually the sardine will fall off because its skin and that won't really cope. But that's when you can use the skirt. You can put a skirt over, which really keeps the bait together for a whole lot longer. Is the number 4, a whole lot heavier and for a bigger bait. It's a longer trace as well, medium size like shad or small bodies. And then this is a live bait trace swimmer. It's got a hook on, so you can push your bait down nice and deep. It's got nice big trebles, and then if the bait dies, it still carries on swimming. But okay, sure, now we need something to put on the live bait traces. Okay, we're back here to discuss the daisy chains and the fillet bait swimmers, strip bait swimmers. Okay, the daisy chain. This thing catches everything. Sailfish, wahoo on the big end of the scale, but mainly it's here for us to catch bonnies and tuna for bait, or Natal snook for the pen. But these things are really, really effective. And if you just see this funny knot that I've tied here, I'm going to explain exactly what's going on. But all of these things that I rig up for the MYDO Couta Pack or Dorado or whatever else come with a special little rig over here. I'm going to show you what it's for. Okay, so there is a strip bait swimmer rigged with the duster on top. And I'm going to open it up, and hopefully you're going to see that funny little knot. You can see that there against my arm. Okay, great. Now we're going to grab a sardine conveniently off the roof. Take a fillet, just a gentle old fillet. Perfect. Then you grab the strip bait swimmer, open up the little clip. Will go away, Billy, try to eat the sides. And just pin that fillet on there and close it off. Right, now you have an amazing little bait. Then when you're ready to go, drop that on top and drag that around and see what happens. That's it. Yeah, keep winding. That's it. Keep winding. Another love bait. He's got my daisy chain with fillet baits. Okay, great. And last but not least, we've got the MYDO luck shots, number 1 and number 2. And lucky there's a video already made. Hi, welcome back. Today I'm here to chat to you about the MYDO luck shot number 1 and number 2 and how it swims on its own. Look at that, with a huge left and right, up and down action with the perpendicular eye to the pulling face and the articulated hook swinging freely. That's where here it is on the surface in front of you, showing that at a steady speed it just veers left and right under its own steam. You don't even have to tell it what to do. But if you do add to the action, you get amazing results on the deceleration. Here's where it gets even more exciting. It takes a huge bubble down with it when it breaks the surface when you crank it really fast, like this plug like looking retrieve going on here. That makes Garrick crazy. Now you pull it back down into the water with a deceleration, and look how it drags a bubble cone of bubbles around it, just like a comet of bubbles and a smoky bubble trail that the fish are going to just see and come to inspect and come to check what's going on, because that's what these lures do. They mimic an injured, fleeing baitfish that's just full of chaos. There's no regular swimming straight, boring kind of stuff. Now that is to show you what happens after the bubble dissipates. It goes back to swimming action, comes to the top, picks it up again, and back in the water. Okay, thank you very much all you guys for watching that. We're at the Umzimkhulu. I'm going to do a final recap on what's in the box. Right, here we go. This is the box, the Couta Pack that Stefan has ordered all the way from Qatar, Doha, where he fishes. Stefan, this is what you're getting. You're getting a couple of strip bait swimmers that you put the fillets on, remember? 2 sizes, 1 heavy GT, 1 light GT. You get your ever reliable daisy chain. You've got the same little clip that you're going to use to put baits on there. You've got 2 MYDO luck shots and 2 MYDO spoons, SS spoons. Have fun, buddy. And then you've got MYDO live bait traces, the live bait swimmers with single hooks, so you can keep the bait on very nicely controlled. And then you've got the good old bait swimmers. Okay, Stefan, I hope you really catch a whole lot of fish with your MYDO Couta Pack, and we'll check back with you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe if there are any viewers out there. Thank you. Ciao. Yeah, come and join us fishing down here in the Umzimkhulu sometime. You can stay right there at the lodge, and you can fish right there on this boat. We fish down the river mouth at the bottom, and you fish the top, where it's a very deep hole, 10 meters or so. There it is.